Hey guys, well, got a little bit more done on my belt grinder. Friggin' right. Okay, first off, I had a bolt welded to this plate with I don't know, an idler pulley mounted to it. When I had this lined up, it looked fine. I welded a bolt to this and stuck a pulley on there. And then when I was lining them up, this top one was way like that and this bottom one was way like that. So I cut the bolts off, and yeah, they don't weld flat because I forgot to grind that stuff off, so they didn't sit right. So I redesigned it basically. I decided to weld this bracket onto here to extend it out a little bit more, just so it's not so awkward if I need to use that edge of it. What I'm going to do is this guy will come back like that, and then what I'm thinking about doing is having weld a piece of tube to this that can slide down like that and out of the way, so that you can use the slack or move it closer so you can have a flat edge to grind against. So that's that. There's the motor from the table saw that I hacked up. Needs a fan. So that's that. What I think I'm going to do is I just got this mocked up for now. I took a measurement off my belt and made sure that this was the same measurement as the belt, so that is accurate for length anyways. But I'm going to be moving the motor to the back somewhere around here, and I'm going to run a pulley with a little idler something there. The motor will drive the pulley, which will drive the other pulley and the belt system. So that's what I've got going on there. I've got my machinist friend working on a quote for me. He's going to be machining me a set of rollers for this, and yeah, it's going to be just fan-friggin-tastic. So I had this welded to this, and it was kind of cobbled. They weren't in line because this one has this piece on it for the slack adjuster. So what I ended up doing is cutting this back off and cutting and welding a plate same thickness to this, then welding this bracket to that. So now everything is perfectly in line, everything looks nice and proper. Nuts are flat, bolts not so much, so I welded the nuts to them. I just tacked them for now just to get a good idea that it will work. So I gotta go back and fully weld those. And yeah, I'm thinking I'll have to come up with some kind of weird shaft and pulley dealy thingy. And gonna move the motor all the way to the back, like I said. I'm debating whether or not to drive it off of the other side, because I could use this side as get one of those polishing buffer wheels that'll mount on this and use it to buff up the blades and stuff. So that's the plan. Oh, and because this thing had one of these at the very bottom, like you can tell, I had to torch a hole in it so that it clears. And then yeah, I just started to tack it down into place, and then right here I ran out of wire. You can tell because this freaking spool's on the table. So I think I've burned through, it's either 60 or 70 pounds of wire with this welder with zero issues. No maintenance on it at all, and it's performing flawlessly still. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick little update video for you guys, and if I have some free time today, I will be working on it. The awesome thing about having this the slack adjuster all the way up top is I could run bigger belts. If I wanted to, I could probably run a 72 and maybe even a 102. So I've got infinite options. 42 is what I've got, and it's probably the smallest belt I can run, just because of if I could run a smaller belt, but then the pulleys will, or the rollers will almost be touching, and you won't have any slack or any you won't be able to use this, is basically what I'm saying. So I'm having him machine my rollers 2.5 inches outer diameter. This one will be tapered slightly for tracking, and the one that mounts to the shaft will be tapered slightly for tracking. This one will be flat. This will be my hollow grinding one. And yeah, so yeah, just thought I'd fire up a quick video for you guys. And yeah, like I said, if I get any spare time today, I will add on to this because I've got some more wire now.